This is Deshaun again from Shoe MGK, the #1 shoe cleaner in the world. Today we're going to give you guys a special tutorial on how to clean your leather shoes, your all white designers, okay? So these are what we call Giuseppe's here, okay? As you see, they've been through quite a tough time, but we're going to revive these things before your eyes and just make them brand new again, okay? First step we're going to do in the process, we're going to be using our cleaner and conditioner, okay? Now the cleaner and conditioner, again, 100% all natural, so don't worry. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to get a bowl of water at home. Doesn't matter the temperature, cold or hot. You just want to fill up a half of your bowl. Then you're just going to take a few drops and you'll go just like that there. And that's how you clean your shoes. Now, for most people, it may be a little bit alarming for them sometimes to actually put water onto their leather shoes. So I'm just going to show you this the way we use it. But on this particular shoe designer, I'm going to put you a little bit more at ease without using the actual water onto these ones here, okay? Now, first thing we're going to do, we want to take these laces out of here, okay? So this is going to be the product that's going to get this bad boy. It's our leather cream kit here, okay? As you see here on the back of the bottle, it comes with the cleaner and conditioner. It comes also with leather cream, and it also comes with your soft sponge inside of there as well to actually polish your leather. And of course, you get our very cool brush there. So now, we're just going to take our cleaner and conditioner and we're going to pour it onto the brush, okay? Then we're just going to go ahead. I like to just start from the bottom and work my way up. So just like this here. Remember, 100% all natural, no alcohols, no dyes, no bleaches, nor citrus. So this stuff is going to safely allow you to clean any material, any fabric in all colors. Then we're going to take our awesome Shoe MGK towel. You see here, guys, so you can see. Pretty cool, right? Then we just wipe all the dirt and grime out of the shoe like this here. And instantly you'll start to see these bad boys come back to life before your eyes. So once we let it dry like that, then we go to our next step, which is going to be our leather cream. But before we do that, we'll go back to these laces here while we're in the mist. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to take our laces and we're basically going to put them into the water with the cleaner again. So same thing you'll do, put just a little bit into the water, just like that here. And then you just go ahead, dip it into the water, put it in your hand, and then just like this. Now, me myself, after I do my laces, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and try to put them in some sunlight, because with the ultraviolet brightener inside the solution, it's going to brighten up and make it more vibrant, okay? So same thing with your shoes. After you clean your shoes, put them in the sunlight shortly after right after you clean the shoes, and watch them brighten up before your eyes. Then once you do that there, and just put the laces inside the towel like that here. And if you want to do a quick dry, so you don't have to do it just like that. Just a quick dry, little tip. Now we have new laces there. Before and after on the laces, guys. So that really just happened. We didn't make that up, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and put our leather cream onto the shoe. Now, the shoe looks beautiful. I get it. But with the leather cream, what it's going to do further now it's going to put more of a gloss and texture and make the shoe completely stand out. Then we'll just go ahead and put these laces back in these bad boys here. So guys, this is our before, this is our after, as you see here. Beautiful. Thank you guys again for tuning in with Shoe MGK. My name is Deshaun. Thank you and have a wonderful day, guys.